the Swing Project, and in this video we're looking at more solo jazz moves for Lindy Hoppers. Let's take a look at two moves that both start on count one, the jazz box and rocks. Let's start with our jazz box. This is a solo jazz move that starts on count one. So we're going to take our right foot, stepping across our body for that first beat. 1. And we're really going to sink our weight into it as well. Then we're going to step back on our left foot for count 3. 3. Then we're going to step to the side using our right foot for count 5. 5. Then we're going to step forward on our left leg for count 7. 7. Each time we're making sure we're creating nice clear weight changes, and we're also keeping that lovely bounce or groove through our body so it doesn't become stiff. Let's give it a try. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. In fact, let's pop a few of them together. We'll do 4 counts of 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and step, step and step. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely. Now we're going to combine it with another classic solo jazz move, rocks, which also begin on count 1. We're going to step forward on our right leg, bringing our body through with our hip leading our movement. 1. Then we're going to step onto our left foot, making sure to actually take that step rather than going back and forth and risk hurting our knees. We're here for 1. We step back for 3. 3. Then we're going to step forward on that right for count 5. 5. Stepping back on the left for 7. 7. When we put it together, it looks like this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to use our arms just to frame our movement. It makes it look an even bigger movement than it already is. Let's give it a try together. 4 times through. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's combine it with our jazz box. We're going to do 2 of each move, starting each time on 1. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Why not give those a try to a piece of music of your choice? Remember, for those rocks, make sure you step through each part of the movement, leading from your hip and allowing your body to follow through. That way you'll minimize any risk of injury to your knees.